You know as much as I like to hunt and fish, sometimes a man's got to do what a man's got to do. And today, I got to mow grass. And as you can see, these mower blades have seen better days. So I'm here at Agri Supply, and I'm going to head back to the lawn and garden and see if they can help me find a replacement for these. Come on. If you've never been to Agri Supply store, let me tell you what, you've got to come and check this place out. Herbicides, insecticides, you roll into paint, you got trailer hitches, log chains, got everything you need, all the way down to cookware. It's an awesome place to go, and it's kind of one of those things where if they ain't got it, you don't need it. Sporting goods, Carolina cooker, cookware, they even got flounder gigs. I'm telling you, they got it all.
Can I help you?
Well, you look like just the man that might be able to help me. You can see I need some new lawnmower blades. All right, I wrote this down so I'd make sure I get everything because I know it's got to be a particular type here. Okay, I've got a Hikiyama 2100 series, 13.5 horsepower with a 56 and 13/16 inch deck and limited oscillator.
All right, now is that a long bar mini torque or a short bar max torque?
Let's go with the long bar.
All right. All right.
Hey, now that is impressive. I'll tell you, if you've got chores to do before you go out to the woods and waters, you need to check out Agri Supply. They've got everything from lawnmower blades to cookware. Check them out today.